Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is 9th of September. I started my study at 12. Firstly, I am here making to-do list for the day. Here is the final to-do list. I started with reasoning and the topic is coded inequality. I tried to understand the basic concept of coded inequality by Ankush Lamba sir. According to me, he is the best teacher of reasoning. I understand the topic and make notes in my own language. This time tak I was very hungry and I did this much. Here I am making pulao for lunch. It is 1:25 and I started my study again. Here is the lunch. While having lunch, I watched current affairs of today. After this, I took a nap. It is 6:20 in the evening. I was little hungry, so I decided to make Maggie for myself. and it is ready. The weather there was awesome. I had Maggie, and while having Maggie, I was watching Career Definers YouTube channel for Quant. After that, I made dinner for my family. After that, I started my study again, and here I am reading the static awareness. And the topic was first in India, male and female. This time tak I was way too tired, so I decided to sleep. But before that, I put an alarm for 6 o'clock in the morning. In the morning, the weather was very cloudy. Here I am doing quant. The topic is mixture and allocation. In the morning, I avoided the screens, so I study from the book itself. I try to solve some questions also. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe.